Hello, Bruce Grey Simcoeans and all that care to visit the region this summer. You may remember me as Toque Poutine, the second most Canadian in Canada. And I'm back, this time to unbox some summer fun for you. Now, you might think of me as more of a winter guy, but from now on, I'm a changed man. And you can refer to me as Sans Toque Poutine. So get ready, because these summer activities are about to get hot. So, toss your woolies in exchange for some sunnies. Get your beach bods and summer stashes ready, because we're going to explore some of the exotic locations that Bruce Grey Simcoe has to offer. The first step in unboxing a quintessential Canadian summer is our beaches. Sand! And it really does get everywhere. There are so many hidden gems dotted along our shorelines, from Barrie to Cobble and everything in between. Sunseekers unite at the best beaches in the province right here in Bruce Grey Simcoe. One way to work on your beach bod, start with the legs. So why don't you try some biking? Cycling through our county's regions is a great workout, and not to mention a lot of fun. On your left, on your left, on your left! Our roads are winding, our trails are varied, and our views, no matter which path you take, are breathtaking. Thrill seekers can fill their need for speed on downhill trails throughout the region, road cyclists can explore seemingly endless town lines, and even the youngest peddlers can jump on our network of trails. Throw a stone from anywhere in Bruce Grey Simcoe and you're sure to hit one of our friendly resorts or B&Bs. Catch! Step 3 is more than just a place to rest your head. Between waterfront resorts and ski resorts that transform into year-round playgrounds, our region is a hub for hospitality. Our resorts provide experiences for the whole family, from serene waterfront activities to more extreme adventure and everything in between. If something quaint and quiet is more your speed, check into one of the dozens of bed and breakfasts in Bruce Grey Simcoe. A stay at a B&B is a great way to infuse yourself in the region and get a personalized visit with the locals. If a more rustic place to rest your head is what you seek, don't worry, there's plenty of campsites within the area too. And our last step is a summer classic, camping! Alright, I'm going to show you exactly where you can camp. Once I learn how to work a map. Okay, that's it. You know what, voiceover guy, you want to handle this last one? With 100 plus private campgrounds, a dozen provincial parks, and 2 national parks in the region, there's no shortage of space to pitch a tent. Camping is as quintessentially Canadian as it gets for summertime activities, and doing it in our region is like getting a backstage pass to some of the most beautiful sights, pun intended, in Bruce Grey Simcoe. It's a tradition carried on by my own family and my grandpa's lucky lure passed down from generation. Ow! Oof. Oh, that smarts. That's a lot of blood. I'm a medic. Well, we came, we cycled, we ate, we drank, we basked, we camped, and we luxuriated, and that's just the tip of the Bruce Grey Simcoe summertime iceberg. So, plan a day trip today, and if you see me on any of the campsites, trails, the roads, or our great restaurants, make sure you say hey, because we'd love to see you this summer. You gotta keep it elevated. You're gonna be okay.